Imagine someone who fell asleep in the year 2000 and woke up in 2025. The world they see would feel like science fiction. AI everywhere, chatbots, image generators, even code writing models. In this presentation, we'll explore the theory that sparked it all, the transformer, and show why 2019 to 2021 was more than just productive. It was a revolution. We started by analyzing public attention. Google Trends showed something striking. Before 2017, transformers were invisible. But after 2018, boom. Searches for transformers and transfer learning skyrocketed, especially in 2022. And what about 2021? It looked quiet, but that silence was misleading. 2021 was the engine room of the explosion that came later. Now let's talk about science. Arxiv data tells us that 2019 saw a massive spike in NLP papers. That was BERT's impact. But the real peak. 2021 and 2022, with over 17,000 papers in just 2 years. That's not just academic interest, that's a critical mass. A mass strong enough to turn theory into products, apps, and global change. Theory without practice is just math, so we looked at Kaggle, the home of applied machine learning. Notebook counts shot up from 2020, but the big surprise was 2021. That year, even as public attention dipped, practitioners exploded. They weren't just reading anymore, they were building. Transformers weren't just a topic, they became a tool. And from 2019 to 2021, the number of shared datasets grew by over 1,600%. That was the soil, the theory was the seed. And the Kaggle community, they responded. Discussions, notebooks, datasets, etc. Everything surged. The golden age of theory didn't just change code, it changed the culture. Finally, this isn't the beginning, it's just the demo. When it's time to truly dive deep, we'll put on our fins and plunge into the ocean. Not for a cup of coffee in some grouper's cave, but in the heart of my WriteUp. Warm regards, Youssef Khaled.